In this video, we'll walk through the full process of uploading your chart of accounts to Ramp, including what to do when Ramp flags any duplicates. Once you log into Ramp, you're going to land on your setup guide. From here, you're going to navigate over to your accounting tab on the left-hand side. If you have not connected your accounting software yet, click on Get Started Now here. Once you're on this page, you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on the drop-down under Use Another Accounting Provider if you do not see your provider listed. Once you click on the drop-down, you're going to type in your accounting provider's name. If you see the logo, you could click on it, and if not, you could click on the provided hyperlink. So for example, we're going to use Bench today. If you see the logo, go ahead and click on that, and if not, you could click on the option here. Next, we're going to click Import Chart of Accounts, and then we're going to click Download Template. The template will include two columns, one labeled Segment ID, where you'll input your GL codes or account codes, and the other labeled Name, where you'll input the category name or description. If you do not have any account codes, you may leave the Segment ID column blank. Once you copy and paste in your account codes and account category names, your template will look like this, with the Segment ID showing your account codes and the name column showing the accounting category names. Then you will save this and you will upload your file here to the right. Ramp will flag any duplicates in your CSV file for you to correct like this. In order to correct your duplicates, you'll have to open up the Excel file where you saved your chart of accounts. If you have a large chart of accounts, you can use a shortcut in Excel to find all the duplicates to either rename or delete them. The first step is to select the range of cells or column that you want to check. Then under the Home tab here, you're going to click on Conditional Formatting. From here, you're going to go to Highlight Cell Rules and then click on Duplicate Values. You could choose your desired color and then click OK, and this will flag all the duplicates to you for you to easily rename or delete. For this example, I will rename a duplicate category and delete a duplicate category as well. Be sure to save your file before re-uploading it. Once you're ready to upload, you'll come and click on Upload Your CSV or Excel file here. Now that we fixed the duplicates, our file uploaded successfully and it shows all the different changes we've made, such as renaming this field and deleting the second meals entry that we had. After reviewing the chart of accounts that you just uploaded, you can go ahead and click Save and Continue if all looks well. Once you see this green check mark here, you have successfully uploaded your chart of accounts and are ready to add additional fields or start coding your expenses. Select Start Coding Expenses to continue. After you fill out your Configure to Export here, you are ready to start coding your transactions and exporting them to your accounting software from Ramp.